Mommies, welcome to my channel. It's a learning trick. Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Today I am going to share with you a worksheet which is based on Makar Sankranti theme. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Let's get start. Okay, now color by the code. There are some kites and there are some colors. These color for each type of kites. Find the correct box. यहाँ बच्चों को क्या करना है, यहाँ काइट्स दी हुई हैं और काइट्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग कलर दिया हुआ है. बच्चों को ये काइट सर्च करनी है और उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो कलर है उस कलर को लेकर यहाँ ट्रेसिंग करनी है. देन ट्रेसिंग करने के बाद इस काइट का जो करेक्ट बॉक्स है वो फाइंड करना है. देन उस बॉक्स में जो कलर है काइट के करस्पॉन्डिंग वो कलर फिल करना है. Okay, right? You get understand? Now start. Now find this kite. Where is this kite? Yeah. Now trace it. Wait, now trace first on the kite. Trace the kite. Now find the path carefully, okay? Very nice. Now color the box. Now look. What is the next type of kite? Okay, what is the color for this kite?
Pink.
Okay. Now choose pink color.
Pink color.
Trace the kite. Very nice. Now find the path. Wait.
मैं लाइन देती.
Okay. Very good. Now color the box. Now what is the next kite?
Green.
Okay. Now find this kite. Yes. Trace. Okay, you forget to trace on this. What is the next kite?
Dish.
Okay. Now trace. Very good. So this is the worksheet for Makar Sankranti or Pongal festival. If you like the video or this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Happy learning from It's a Learning Trick. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching.